Hello, my YouTube friend. I have a fun little video for you today. I was sent the new Hatsune Miku Yeolume doll. I'm actually really excited to get her. I think this is the first one that they've made in like 7 years, I think. I did open it up just to look in because I wasn't sure what this package was. And then when I saw what it was like, oh, cool. And it looked like they added a lot of little cute goodies in this box. So I'm actually really excited. So that's what the box looks like. Oh, wow. This is going to be fun. It's been a while since I bought a new Pullip Doll. I really want to start restocking my store with them and start collecting them again a little bit. So this is really exciting to me. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so we have a shopping bag. It has pull-ups printed on both sides. That's just a really nice printed bag. That is adorable. Okay, I love this. I really want to get that Pullip Doll. I think she's beautiful. Kind of want that one too. Okay, awesome. Beautiful little bag. Okay, let's see. We have a whole pile of like stickers, and this looks like a bookmark. This is really cool. I think it's like, I'm gonna take it out. I believe it's translucent. Yeah, it's a little translucent bookmark. That is awesome. Oh, this is fun. I thought I was just going to get the doll. I didn't realize I'd get all these little goodies. Oh, we have, let's see, we have a little catalog here. Which, okay, this is fun. So it's kind of just like a history. I mean, some of these are older. I know these Yeolume dolls are from like 2013 maybe. Okay, and then we have a My Dear Pull-Up booklet. Or some kind of file folder. Wow, this is adorable. I love this ephemera stuff. I'm just a big fan of it. Okay, it's like a plastic file folder. And then there's the back is cute. And then there's like a little letter inside. Oh, just a blank piece of paper. So I guess this is just a little folder if you want to put your paperwork in. For me though, this is just something you put in like a protective top loader and you can just take care of it because it's adorable. Okay, then we have a couple stickers. These look really nice. Those are adorable. Oh, okay, then we have more. Oh, this is all. Oh, this is fun. It's like a whole packet of stuff. Wow, this stuff is so cute. Okay, let's see what we got. We got a sticker sheet. Has a fun like rainbow reflective look to it. Another sheet of stickers. These are really cute. I don't know how rare this stuff is. This is promotional stuff that they'll print up for the Pullip dolls and whatnot. I don't know if they make like a few hundred or a few thousand. This looks like a Mousepad. Oh, that is cool. Again, I'm not going to use it because I cherish and I love collecting this kind of stuff. So this is the kind of thing I just put in a protective holder. I don't want to damage it because it's too cool. Now, I love Pullip dolls. I have over 400 in my own collection. I haven't done any videos on them in a while because I haven't really been actively collecting them. But my desire and interest in them has been growing again. Okay, we have another really cute folder. Absolutely love this. So cute. Oh, we got another folder. Oh man, I love these. These are so cool. Okay, oh, and then we have a duplicate folder. So we got two folders. Okay. So we got another one of these, which I will probably still hold on to for now. I don't mind duplicates if it's something I really like. Okay, and then one more really cute folder. Love that. Okay, so now let's get into the doll. This is the new Yeolume. It's a Hatsune Miku. She looks awesome. And that's through the bubble wrap. Let's get her out of the bubble wrap. Wow. She looks so cute in there. We have her in the box. It's a really cute box. Is there anything? Nope, nothing. She's adorable, but we'll take her out. We'll take a closer look. Love Hatsune Miku stuff, so getting a doll of her is actually pretty cool. I have all the Pullip dolls. I think there was, 4 or 5 different, I forget, and I believe I have 2 of each actually. She is really adorable. Let's take a little bit closer look in the box. I really like this. You know, I think I'm just going to keep her in the box because I love collecting them in the box. I don't really have the space to display them and they get so dusty. So I'm just a big fan of collecting these dolls in the box because I just think they look adorable. I love the way they display. And the cool thing is the boxes aren't sealed, so you can pull them out and kind of display them that way. And then put them back in the box if you want. She looks really cute though. I love her eyes. They're like kind of like crystal looking. I don't know how well you can see her eyes. They're really adorable. Her stock seems to be pretty good quality. I'm torn. Kind of want to take her out of the box, but I also love displaying these or just keeping them in the box for my own collection. She is beautiful. I love her. I know I'm supposed to take it out and show you guys the details, but I just absolutely love the way she looks in the box. So I just got to keep her like that. Because, you know, I love my box toys. She is adorable. I love her cute face. It's just really adorable. That was a lot of fun checking her out and checking out all these fun little ephemera stuff. If you guys enjoyed this little mini review and you'd like to see more of this kind of videos on my channel, let me know in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!